Alright, for my next video, we are going to go over Canva.com. As you can see up here, this is how it is typed. Also, there is a free iPad app through the App Store that you can get Canva on an iPad or even on your phone. All of my students have it on their iPads right now because after I did my portfolio for Module 19, I want to say, I had all my students, well, 2 of my 4 classes created a digital infographic to show the 10 different deadliest poisons because we read a story called The Landlady, and that was their background information, learning about poisons and what they actually do to people. So this is like the dashboard. You log in. You can log in through Google. I've logged in through my Fort Hays Google account to access this. You may click Design. Now you can do custom dimensions. You can start off with a blank slate. But if you don't want to, there are probably over 100 different templates for you. I'm going to click infographics since that's one I've already done and be able to just sort of kind of walk you through on how to do it. So you can type in just about anything to find it, or these are the ones that pop up. Now, just because it says bicycle safety doesn't mean that the student has to do something on bicycle safety. They can come in here and just use the layout. They can change the title and just have this be the layout, or this could be a different layout. Maybe they like the boxed layouts, and they can do it with different boxes and create an infographic with just this type of template, or they can do this rectangle box template. So basically when I look at these, I tell them just use the template, guys. Don't worry if it's about food or climate change or the future of capital markets industry. It doesn't matter. Just look at the color scheme and the template design, and if you like it, choose it. So we're going to say this is the one that they have chosen. And you can go through and change. I don't want to do that, sorry. I could delete these things and do that. But for this purpose, they could be going through and change this into different types of chemicals. Whatever they need to do. I think this website is a wonderful website to be able to have the students present their knowledge in a digital way. And it makes it interesting being able to kind of design things. When my students did it for the chemical or the poisons that kill, they thought it was just really cool. 1, the information that they actually learn on the pre-made templates. And 2, that they could design professional looking infographics. Instead of having to come off of just the brink of their own brains, they were able to model their infographics off of something that somebody else has already made. So you can also, like I said, make a template all by itself. Let me scroll through. There's usually, in the past, when I'd scroll through, there'd be an empty template. But I'm not seeing one right now, and I don't have time in this video to go through and find it. But I promise you it's there. Like a resume, and there's a blank sheet, and you can just use this for the dimension portion. Or the students even could create their own resume using this website, and they're really interesting, creative templates. So like I said, I've used this platform for students to be able to present their knowledge and explore it and be able to present it to multiple different people all over the internet, or get it printed and be able to use it in person.